In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Notion pages into image blocks Notion. We'll start fresh so you can follow along easily. Begin by creating a new page in Notion. This gives us a blank canvas to work with. Inside that new page, use the slash command by typing a /, then type the word gallery. This pulls up Notion's gallery database option. Choose the gallery view to insert a gallery right on your page. This view is perfect because it displays each page as a card, which will turn into image style blocks. With the gallery in place, add your first item by clicking New Page inside the gallery. That opens a new subpage. At the top of this page, Tasuas, click Add Cover. The cover image is what will become the visual for your gallery card. Next, click Change to pick the source of your image. Choose Gallery to browse image options, then select Upload to bring in your own file if you prefer. After that, return to Gallery, pick the image you want, and confirm your selection. You've now transformed that page into a card with an image-focused cover. Back in the gallery, create another new page so you have more than one example to look at. Again, click Add Cover at the top, then select an image just like before. Keeping your images high resolution and visually consistent will make the final layout look polished and professional. Now, let's fine-tune how these pages display. Open the gallery settings. Here, you'll control what each card shows. Find Card Preview and set it to Page Cover. This tells Notion to use the cover image as the main visual on each card, which is the key to making your pages read like image blocks at a glance. While you're in Settings, adjust card size and choose Large. This increases the visual impact of your cards, making them easier to scan and more design forward. At this point, your gallery should display each page as a large image card pulled straight from the page's cover. This approach is great for portfolios, mood boards, resource libraries, or any collection where visuals help tell the story. If a card doesn't look quite right, open that page and update the cover so it crops nicely. Wider images usually work best for covers. Also, keep your file sizes reasonable for smooth loading. And that's it. You created a new page, added a gallery, created pages within it, set cover images, and configured the gallery to show those covers at a large size. You've effectively turned Notion pages into clean image-driven blocks.